Are you ready to supercharge your muscle-building journey without breaking the bank? Look no further. We've compiled a list of 10 budget-friendly foods that will help you pack on muscle from the comfort of your own home. Before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Embark on your muscle-building adventure with the mighty sweet potato. This versatile carb powerhouse is a must-have for those aiming to bulk up or sustain a well-rounded diet. Not only does it tantalize your taste buds, but it also boasts a treasure trove of essential vitamins A, C, and E coupled with fiber to fortify your immune system and stimulate collagen production. Whether mashed, roasted, or baked, the sweet potato stands as a delicious and nutritious ally in your quest for muscular growth and overall wellness. Got milk? You absolutely should! Milk isn't just for building strong bones. It's a powerhouse for muscle growth, too. Research reveals that post-workout consumption of skim milk can spike muscle mass by a whopping 60% compared to other drinks. So grab that glass, pour in the goodness, and witness your gains skyrocket. With its calcium-rich goodness and muscle-boosting properties, milk stands tall as a must-have in your muscle-building arsenal. Say cheers to strength and vitality with each refreshing sip, knowing that you're fueling your body for success. Unlock the power of nature's secret weapon for muscle efficiency: beets. Loaded with nitrates, these vibrant root vegetables are your ticket to enhanced performance. By boosting blood flow to your muscles, beets reduce oxygen consumption during exercise, leading to improved endurance and that coveted muscle pump. Whether you blend them into a smoothie, roast them for a savory side dish, or toss them into a salad, incorporating beets into your diet is a game-changer for any athlete or fitness enthusiast. So, seize the opportunity to elevate your performance and watch as your workouts reach new heights with the mighty beet by your side. Don't underestimate the significance of fruits and vegetables on your muscle-building quest. Bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, they're indispensable for your overall health and vitality. Additionally, opting for seasonal produce not only supports your muscles, but also aids in saving significant money. By incorporating a colorful array of fruits and veggies into your diet, you're not just nourishing your body, but also enhancing your muscle-building potential. So make it a point to load up your plate with nature's bounty and watch as your muscles thrive while your wallet thanks you for the smart choices. Rice and beans form the ultimate powerhouse duo for muscle building. Combined, they offer a comprehensive array of essential amino acids vital for muscle growth and repair. Whether you're in a bulking or cutting phase, this cost-effective combination serves as a robust fuel source, propelling your gains without denting your wallet. With their versatility and nutrient-packed profile, rice and beans stand as a cornerstone of any muscle-building diet regimen. Embrace this budget-friendly yet potent duo and watch as your muscles thrive and your fitness goals become within reach. When it comes to building muscle, chicken breast reigns supreme as a lean protein powerhouse. Boasting almost 30 grams of protein per 100 grams, it's an ideal choice for post-workout recovery and muscle repair. Whether grilled, baked, or pan-seared, chicken breast offers a delicious and versatile option to fuel your gains. So, don your apron, fire up the grill, and prepare to indulge in a feast that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also supercharges your muscle-building journey. Seafood aficionados, rejoice! Tuna is your go-to muscle-building ally. Bursting with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, it's a wallet-friendly powerhouse for maximizing gains. But wait, there's more! Tuna boasts a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals, ensuring your strength and vitality remain top-notch. Whether grilled, seared, or tossed into a salad, this oceanic delight promises to fuel your fitness journey without breaking the bank. So, dive into a tuna-packed meal and let its nutritional prowess propel you toward your muscle-building goals. Lean ground beef is a muscle-building essential that won't break the bank. Boasting approximately 29 grams of protein per 100 grams, it's a nutrient powerhouse packed with zinc, iron, and creatine. So, don't hesitate to get cooking. Fire up the stove and whip up a mouth-watering beefy feast that will fuel your gains and satisfy your taste buds. Whether you're bulking up or just craving a hearty meal, lean ground beef is sure to deliver the protein and nutrients your body needs to thrive. Dive into a delicious dish and watch your muscles grow stronger with every bite. Eggs stand as nature's pinnacle protein source, boasting a complete array of essential amino acids vital for robust muscle development. Beyond protein, they are a treasure trove of nutrients such as choline, iron, and vitamin D, essential for sustained energy levels and overall health. With their versatility in culinary applications, eggs offer a convenient and cost-effective means of fortifying your muscle-building journey. Whether scrambled, poached, or as part of a hearty omelet, these nutritional powerhouses serve as an indispensable cornerstone in any muscle-focused diet, ensuring not just gains in the gym, but also vitality and wellness throughout your day. And finally, let's not overlook the mighty sardines. Despite their small size, these fish are bursting with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, essential for muscle growth and inflammation reduction. So the next time you stroll down the aisles of your local grocery store, make sure to load up on these budget-friendly muscle-building champions. Your muscles will thank you as they flourish and thrive on the nourishment provided by these nutritional powerhouses. Don't hesitate to integrate these cost-effective, muscle-building foods into your daily regimen. It's the gateway to unlocking your ultimate physique potential. Now's the time to embark on your journey to amplified gains. Embrace these nourishing options and witness your muscles transform, becoming more robust and sculpted than you ever imagined. So let's dive in and kickstart your path to a stronger, more defined physique. Your body will thank you for the wholesome fuel, propelling you toward your fitness goals with vigor and vitality. It's time to seize the opportunity and sculpt the body you've always desired.